Hi, I'm Zappo, and I'm here with my good friends at Lighthouse Builders to show you how to replace an electrical outlet. To start with, electricity is all around us from the time we get up until the time we go to bed. We use it to light our rooms, watch TV, dry our hair, and even charge our automobiles today. But in order to do that, we need electrical outlets. Sometimes they go bad, so from time to time you need an electrician to come and replace them. So without further ado, here's our electrician, Ken, to show you how to change an electrical outlet.
Thank you, Zappo. Well, the first thing you gotta do is locate your breaker panel. In most cases that are in the basement, this one just happens to be in a garage. The breaker panel is located usually where the power comes into the home. With the help of somebody else, if your panel is not marked, go ahead and turn off the breaker for the particular outlet that you're going to change. Alright, now that we've turned the power off at the breaker panel, let's use our tester and make sure that the power is off. Alright, power's off, so next thing that we got to do, let's get into taking this outlet out. Okay, now that we have our outlet off the wall, we're getting ready to take the wires off. And pay attention to where your wires are. Here you have your gold one with the black wire. The white one goes on the silver, and then you have a bare wire going on the ground. That's the way we're going to put it back together. You want to make sure you have them done in that right order as well. Alright, we have our new outlet. Now remember, the brass screw is the black wire or your hot wire. Your silver wire or silver screw is your white wire or your neutral, and the green one is the bare. So let's go ahead and put that together. Now remember, when you're doing this, that your wires go on in a clockwise manner. That way they'll follow the wire and don't come off. Okay, now that we have everything tightened on, let's go ahead and put the wires back in the box. Okay, once you have the outlet back in the box, you're going to go ahead and finish off by putting the cover on. Alright, now that we have the outlet put back on, let's go turn on that power. Alright, let's check to make sure we have power. Alright, we have power. Now you're ready to use your new electrical outlet. Thank you.
So there you have it. That's how you change an electrical outlet. And as always, remember, if you are unsure of doing this yourself, always hire a professional contractor from your local Yellow Pages. Thank you and have a nice day.